Hi guys, Mary Del Palazzo here, and I am so excited to share with you guys my new book coming out. It is called Adeline the Cook, and it is about a sweet little girl who wants to one night help her mom cook dinner. Now, her mom says she's too little, so she was not allowed to help cook dinner. And so she storms upstairs and she falls into a deep, deep sleep. And her mind takes her to a bunch of different places. Now, I'm not going to give it away, you're going to have to read it, but it is a very heartwarming, cute book. The main goal of this is just basically entertain you. It has the life lesson of um, basically there's no place like home, and you're always going to have your parents there, and they're always going to be there regardless of if you get into a little argument with them. It does have an academic side to it. Adeline does travel to a bunch of different places, and whether it's the food or the culture that she is around, you're able to learn about those different cultures. So the academic part is in there. The age group would be 6 to 10, and it is a very easy read. And I would say the price would be about $15.99 per book, and it's going to be on Amazon and at the bookstores near you. And I'm very excited because we all know we live in a social media society, and so I'm doing something a little different. I'm having my advertisement actually online, and so it's going to be on a thing like this, and I can read it to you. It says Adeline the Cook by Maria Del Palazzo, a fantasy story about a girl named Adeline whose dreams of being a cook take her far from home. Will she return home? Grab a copy and read it by the fireplace this holiday season to find out. The fire won't be the only thing warming your heart. So guys, pick up a copy, share this on Facebook, and have a happy holiday.